Hey everyone! Welcome back to Mini Poly. In today's tutorial, we'll be using Blender's physics engine to randomly distribute simple objects inside a container. Let's dive right in. So first select the container and go to the physics setting and select the rigid body, and then change the type from active to passive and change shape to mesh. And now select the models you want to distribute and again select the rigid body and then decrease the mass if you want. Now copy the models as much as you want to distribute in the container. As you are copying the models, you can rotate and scale them slightly to make it more interesting. Finally, play the animation by pressing the space button. That's it for this quick physics distribution tutorial in Blender. Now you can efficiently scatter objects in any container. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe to Mini Poly.